Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to distribute objects evenly in your Google Vids scenes. So you're working on a Google Vids scene and you've got a bunch of different objects on that scene and you want to make sure that it looks nice. You want things to be evenly spaced. Basically what you're talking about is distributing the different objects. And I'm going to show you how to do that and what that means. And I want to focus your attention up here where it says reference of proposed redirect. This is actually three different boxes. So as I select all three, and again, you can select all three by selecting one of them and then holding your finger on control and then selecting the other ones. And notice that it doesn't really grab all three of them and show you that. It just says, here's the space defined by these three objects. Since I've got all three of them selected, if I go to arrange, I can scroll down to distribute, and then I have two choices. I can distribute these horizontally, which will just mean that the objects are distributed evenly from top to bottom. So if I do that, right now they're spaced evenly, and just so you can see that that did in fact do something, I'm going to hit Control Z to undo, and it will shift back to its original position. If I go to arrange or distribute vertically, it will space them up and down. And then if I do both, you can kind of see that, yeah, there's some changes being applied there. It's just a really good quality way to automatically space things evenly without having to do some math and trying to figure out by like where exactly stuff is and eyeball it. It's already programmed in. You can just distribute it horizontally or vertically, and it will take care of it for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.